Hi, I'm Leslie Solomon, 7th and 8th grade teacher at Excel Academy in District Columbia Public Schools. And here's my entry for Mission Possible. Excel Academy just recently joined DCPS. It's an all-girls pre-K 3 through 8 school, but I am a middle school teacher. Our curriculum includes literacy, mathematics, science, technology, world languages, even the performing and visual arts. We definitely have a strong focus on social emotional learning and building a community. This is me. I am Leslie Solomon. Upcoming school year, my 20th year of teaching science, and I love what I do. At Excel, we focus on educating, empowering, and excelling. We want to push our girls past their comfort zone and into their learning zone. We want them to be brave, fearless, and strong. But we do have a focus on social emotional learning and community so that they understand and feel comfortable and being brave. In addition, we use this time to talk about all sorts of really important concepts, including the women of science and technology, and specifically women of color in science and technology. I am not just a teacher at Excel. I'm also a parent of Excel. I have a pre-K 4 student in the fall and a fifth grader in the fall, but I teach seventh and eighth grade. Again, STEM is so important to us because we know that women make up only half of the US workforce but only 28% of the science and engineering workforce, and that's not good. We don't want to remain underrepresented. When we look at color and race and ethnicity are very important factors in the participation of science and engineering. And so our goal is to not only encourage students, but to help them to retain the information and find interest in the area. Here at Excel, we do work closely with the Department of Forensic Science to allow our students extra activities that they can immerse in, hands-on activities in order to learn more about science and STEM. We even launched or are trying to launch an entomology club to study bugs. However, it's not quite that simple. This is my classroom. Unfortunately, we did not reach the technology refresh that happened. And because we are a new school, we're not getting any equipment. And I'm sure you're thinking there must be some other technology aside from that projector and smartboard that I don't even know if it works. No. If you look inside my cabinets, they are absent of technology. We don't even have microscopes. Now, I feel strongly that graphing and graphical analysis is key to STEM understanding, and these ideas actually overlap into social studies and English and allow students to be ample and good citizens. I am blessed that I'm a part of the Yale Initiative this year, writing curriculum, and my curriculum will focus on graphing. One way that we can encourage graphing and graphical analysis is through this middle school LabQuest free package. In addition, I would love for my students to have the opportunity to work with microscopes as we have none. Thank you for your time and thank you for your consideration.